What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Claude in order to explain the code. So first thing first, that we have to hit the Claude code version over here, which you can access by pressing Ctrl+3. So it's very easy, very simple, to the point. This is the desktop application of the Claude. You guys can also use the CLI version where you just have to type in Claude and it will open up. Now what we have to do is to locate a project. If we are using a new project, we just have to open it up. For example, this project, I'm just going to go ahead and select the whole folder so that it could be uploaded here. Now the folder has been uploaded. I'm just going to go ahead and ask a simple question. So this is the trick that you need to use. Just simply type in explain the code usage real case scenario. Now, when you give this command to the Claude code, it will, go through the whole code and then let you know that what are the, how the code is working, what technique is using, what sort of language is it using, and then after that, it will tell you about the usage of that code in the real life, real case scenario, and the pros and cons of it. So if you want to audit it, then you guys can also add audit prompt in it. So this is pretty simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. And this is it for this part. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.